Thanks for watching Hindsight 101. Click the subscribe button and select the notification bell to stay up to date. Hello, I'm Derrick and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now we're going to install this home Brinks security system. This is the first time I'm ever doing it, so we're going to learn together. This is a self-install, so you don't have to have someone come out and do it for you. All you do is set it up and then you call and have them activated. So these are the instructions. These will be important. And then signs, stickers, referrals, blah, blah, blah. This is the base unit. They say put this in a centralized location of your home. And then if I would have gotten more sensors, they'd probably be in this box, but since this is empty. These are just some holders for the base unit. And then this is where all the sensors are. I got 2 motion sensors. The good thing about this is when you fill it out online, you can actually label them. So it says living room and garage. And then I also have some door sensors as well. So I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'll show you one of each just so you can get an idea of what it looks like, and then we'll activate it. So now we're going to set up the base unit. Until I can find a more permanent solution, I'm just going to put it here on the counter, and then I'll maybe mount it to the wall. So here we go. Save this little sticker for later. And then you just turn it on right here. So we turn it on right here. So first we're going to press this gray bar and then go to settings. Okay. Go to advanced settings.
Enter user code.
We're going to enter the user code. The default code is 1234. Read some legal stuff. Agree. So you didn't get to hear this, but the sensors already come activated with power and a battery, so they're already on. And while I was turning this on, they automatically connected the sensors to the base unit. So it kept saying sensor connected automatically, sensor connected automatically, how many you have. So just wanted to let you know that it might start freaking out because it's just letting you know it's connecting to all the sensors. So you can connect this through your Wi-Fi and then also cellular, but since we're not going to connect Wi-Fi, I'm going to go straight to the cellular test connection. So what you want to go to is system test. So to test cellular, I'm just going to go here, cellular test, start. Cellular radio test started, please wait. Cellular wireless path tested successfully. Call central station to check reports if needed. Okay, we're good. And then back. So we're going to take the living room sensor and set that one up. It has little stickies, so I just peel that off the 3M and stick it to where I want. Like I said, if you see, it's already turned on. You can see the red light. So these batteries last forever, supposedly, so we'll see how that works out. So let's put it on. So it says to wipe the area clean. Damp cloth. And we'll let that dry. I'm just going to peel the stickers off. And put it right in the corner. Hold it for a couple seconds. Count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it's in there. So again, we're going to wipe the area clean. So this is what the sensor looks like. There's tape on the back, so I'm going to peel that off and then we'll stick it up. So we're going to put the large piece on the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to put the small piece on the rail. And it says it can be no more than a pencil width apart. We are definitely good on that.
Sliding door open.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll check the sensor.
Sliding door open.
The sensor just said it's open. It looks like I just didn't hold it and push it down hard enough, but it's on there now, so it's not coming off. So we're good. And then when I close it, the base unit registers that it's closed. So let me put the rest of them up and then we'll get it activated. So all I had to do was go to brinkshome.com/activate and then type in my name, telephone number, and the time frame that I wanted to be called. And I'm just waiting for them to call me back. They said it'd take about 15 minutes. So we'll see. At this point, I'm talking to the rep and he's verifying my information. He's explaining what the 3 symbols are in case I need to call for help in case of an emergency. There's police, fire, and emergency, ambulance. You talk to the Brinks rep. To verify that my system's actually working, we're going to put in a test call, which is actually a real call, to dispatch at Brinks. You wait for someone to talk. This one takes a few minutes because they do based on priority, and since it's a test call, you're on a low priority. So it took about 5 minutes for someone to speak through the actual speaker on the unit, and then they just want to verify my code and want to know if there's an emergency or not. Now we're going over the different options on arming and disarming the unit and all the other options that go along with that. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you really want to support the channel, check out some of my other videos. Take care.